moving up by the rail is speed make rather security check on the outside is speed maker. Then comes peace and love moment in time is by the rail. Isco comes next and Discovery Peak is running at the tail of the field heading towards the 900. Now we have security check moment in time now running in second. Peace and love drops back in third, running in fourth. Isco, Tarlac, Discovery Peak, moving up on the outside and is Speedmaker as they race to the last 600. Security check by 3/4 of a length lead. Moment in time, moving up by the rail. Peace and love is on the outside. Discovery Peak moving up on the further outside as the action kicks to the last 450. Moment in time. Now the leader security check drops back in second. Tarlac is by the rail. Peace and love moving up on the outside is Discovery Peak with 100 to go. Moment in time, Tarlac leveling up down on the inside, moves up and winning race number 10. Moment in time, second, peace and love, security check, and Discovery Peak for your Pentapecta.
Nagustuhan ko